So hey guys, today let us see some more basic commands in AutoCAD. Okay, now I'm going to take a circle from this draw section of any radius. Okay, and now if I want to copy this circle, I'm going to take this copy command from modify section and then select the object and then press enter. Now it will ask you to specify the base point. Now, in most cases, it is good if you take the midpoint or the center of the object as the base point when you want to copy something. So I'm going to take the center of this circle as the midpoint or the base point, and then simply I can move it around, or basically copying this object wherever I want. And once you want to stop copying, just press escape to escape this copy command. Okay. You can also move this object all around the screen wherever you want by using the move command. So I'm going to press the move command, select the object, press enter. It will ask you to specify the base point. So take it as the midpoint, and then you can move it wherever you want. If you want it here, I can place it here. That's it. Now for using the rotate and the mirror command, let me first delete all of this by selecting all these objects at the same time and pressing delete. I'm going to take a rectangle of any length and breadth. Okay. Now I'm going to rotate this rectangle by again selecting the objects and then pressing enter and then specifying the base point. We can rotate it wherever we want. Okay. We can keep it diagonally, horizontally, vertically, any way. And then once you are done, press escape. Now if I want to mirror this rectangle, I have to use this mirror command and then select the object, press enter. Now it will ask you to specify the first point of the mirror line where you want it to get mirrored. Okay, and it should not necessarily be the midpoint. So I'm going to take it as this point, and if you can see, this is the mirrored part of this original rectangle. Okay, you can place it wherever you want, and based on your requirements, you can choose any point from this rectangle for using this mirror command. And now for using this trim command, let me draw a line, random line, joining these two rectangles, and I'm going to use this trim command. It is basically to cut off the extra portions or the unwanted portions which you don't want in an object. Okay, it's a random shape, so I'll just execute this command working. Okay, you can cut it here, you can also cut it here. So it's basically like trimming all the unwanted portions of your object. Okay, so I hope you understood. Thanks for watching.